Wrong mode. You don't go talk about problems, okay? You just go to understand how people live. You go to learn from them. You always learn from them, live with them, build on what they know. Then from there on you start up. Because the moment you go say what problems, you are not a solution giver. They'll have a putty. And then when you can't deliver on the putty, they'll not allow you inside. So that's a very wrong way to begin. I would simply go to say I want to learn from you. Just get to know people. And begin with some local volunteer there. Befriend a local boy or a girl. And through him you start. Because you must understand people at that level of incomes are eternally suspicious of anybody who is not in their circle. And you are an outsider, you are a foreigner. They are always looking at you as a person who's come to exploit them. I don't blame them. With decades of exploitation, they rightfully believe that everybody coming from outside is here to exploit us. And very surprisingly, they'll believe a local guy who still exploits them. ನಾನು ಜಾತಿ ಪತ್ರ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ 50 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೊಡಿ, ನಾನು ಮನೆ ಕೊಡಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ 500 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೊಡಿ. They'll give it to him. You will tell all your problems, don't give me money, they'll not trust you. Because they know that that fellow is more reliable for them than you. Their perspective. So just enter the place. Entry is always a slow process and you cannot, this is not going to be instant coffee. If you have to convince yourself, I only challenge all of you, if you are entering that village or slum or whatever place, be prepared for a long overhaul, 3 to 5 years. If you are expecting a miracle in 3 months, please don't go. You will destroy social processes. Social processes are painful, they take time. Why should they trust you? Let me ask you. Who the hell are you to come and solve their problems? Why should they trust you? They never had anybody giving them anything for so long. Who will even accept you? Who are you for them? It is your desire to go there. It is not they are not invited you to come there at all. So you are working against all known social practices for entering. So it's always suspicion for them. So I would say, unless all of you are convinced that you can work for long with those people, don't begin. It's very, very, very difficult to sustain. I'm not saying all of you will not sustain. I'm just giving you the practicalities. Work in Bangalore slums for us started 7 years ago.
Bangalore, Mysore.
Mysore, sorry.
Okay.
Today, last week we launched that No Note for My Work campaign. There were 200 people from different slums who came to that slum to show support. And now they'll become, but it took 7 years. So if you had come and seen that event and you say you'll do an event like that here, I'll not believe you because it can't happen. Because what you don't see is 7 years of work behind it. The community organized it, they put their community hall, they arranged for food for the people who came, they spent everything. I did nothing, I went and announced and they just said this is what we will do. But that took 7 years, no? That's the time it takes, you can't shorten that. But so, don't plan an event based on response you see elsewhere. So what you don't see will be the hard work that goes behind. That will take that much of time. Here also it can be done, it's not impossible. But do take your time, be ready for 3 to 5 years. There are skills you need to have. I would say if there's any volunteers who have done this MSW or something, social work, who knows the basics, there are certain tools we have. You don't have to, we have what is called participatory rural appraisal, rapid appraisal. So you just sit there with people, talk to them, they'll do a map of the area, they'll give the problems and then you have to, see, your intervention cannot be disempowering. If you give solutions, you're disempowering people. You have to work with them to explore solutions together. That demands a lot of humility from you. So normally most of us from outside will go as though we have solutions. Can I just take this call?
Sure.